Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block PayPal payments. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official website of PayPal at paypal.com. Log in using your email and password. Once you are logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Send. Here you will see a list of all merchants. Next, select the one you want to block or stop payments from. After selecting the merchant, tap the block button. A confirmation message will appear. Tap block again to finish the process. This will immediately stop any future payments from that merchant. And that's it. Now you know how to block PayPal payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.